Hello, this is Martin Brossman, and I want to talk about one of my favorite microphones for a small business if you can afford it, and it is this microphone. I am not sponsored in any way. There are several versions. This is their latest version, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, but I want to talk about it because not just that it offers a lot of features. In fact, this one here is for USB-C devices, made for iPhone, iPad, and it says right on the box there. Let's see if I hold it up and you see it. Got it? And then also right here, it talks about the different cables. The thing is this is such an established brand that their tech support is outstanding. And I have called them several times to get the right cables and information. I'm just really happy with it. There's some others that are good quality and they're cheaper, but if you need to call someone and you're running a business on it, it's hard to beat this thing. So let's kind of open this up and see what's inside of this thing, okay? Their only shortcoming is they could make it a little easier to get into the box, but part of that so that when you get it, you know someone didn't open ahead of you, okay? So we're opening it up inside, pulling out the intersection right here. This is the transmitter receiver, and I'm just going to show the fundamentals. There's so many features on this, it'll take you a while to get them all. But these are the transmitter and receiver, and you can even get a little device so that you can magnetically attach it. And if you want to, I would buy a Rhodes authorized version. You can get a lavalier that comes with this. And there are a lot more features with the lavalier, so you can put in your pocket, work well, charge well. And then they both come with these little wind filters right here. And I'll show you with the unit. This unit came with 2 wind filters, so it's probably if one wears out, you get another without having to buy it. You clip it on. And you're really going to need this if you're outdoors at all, because there you go. You put it on and twist. It's like that, because any type of wind will really get picked up by any type of outdoor microphone. This isn't going to handle a hurricane or anything, but we'll give you exactly that. Then we get another one. We get a nice soft case, very important to keep them in, to organize it, which is excellent. Everyone should do that. The next box right here, we'll open it up. Inside it, right there, okay, we get 2 charger cables. You want to keep these all together, the charger cables. And then you get this little device as well. This will connect to the unit. And then we have this book, Single Set Quick Guide, and it's nice because it's picture-based versus the manuals where it's just, you can't even see what it's doing. It does a very good job recording. It gives a good charge. Just make sure you charge it in advance. And tech support's fantastic if you call them. It has a lot more features as well. And so I'll show the box, see if we can see that. See, it comes with carrying case, cable to connect to the camera, charging cable, windscreen, and the 2 units. Now, to hook up to your iPhone or tablet, you're going to need an extra cable. Battery life of up to 7 hours. I'll put further links below, but this is my favorite. It's well built. It's been established. It's easy to find other people that are familiar with it. And this is my favorite if you can afford it. The next addition is the cable. Make sure you get the correct cable. And the lavalier mic if you want one that's designed just for it. You spent enough money on this. You want to get the right things. Also make sure to register it. I do recommend getting it from a authorized camera store or from Rhodes themselves over the big guy, just because you have a guarantee they won't try to slip some third-party thing or something else in. So I have heard some stories where they bought it from the A guy and they didn't get the exact unit. That's probably why it's sealed so tight, to make sure everything matches up. But make sure to register it. It has a serial number. I'll make more videos on it, but a lot of the time when you hear me clearly, this is what I'm using. I also have the one that does interviews with 2 people, or sometimes what I'll do, I just did an interview now. I'm pretty good at projecting my voice, and I put it on them, and then I just project in my voice loudly enough so it'd be picked up on it, or you can splice that in later. The price from Sweetwater, which is a well-established place, and they have pretty good support too, is $200. Check the link below for more resources and links. I'll get some more demos down there, but I really do love using this. I've worked with Rhodes for a long time, registered, love them. It's worth the money. I've had cheaper stuff. If you can't afford it, buy what you can until you can afford this. Remember to click subscribe and the bell. This is Martin Brossman. Have a great day.